Hey, I'm Ed. Today I'm going to show you how to test the ice maker on a Frigidaire refrigerator that's not filling with water. Before we get started, let's make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you can get notified when we post new videos. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a Flatblade screwdriver, and a multimeter. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it or switching the breaker off, as well as turning off its water supply before doing any work on it. We need to check the ice maker to make sure there's power coming from it and going to the water valve. If the ice maker isn't sending power to the water valve, then the ice maker won't fill with water to make ice. First, open the freezer door and remove the ice vent. To access the ice maker, loosen the 2 1/4-inch screws that hold the ice maker in place and lift the ice maker off the screws. Then set the ice maker down on the ice bin shelf. Then remove the cover over the front of the ice maker. Make sure the fridge is plugged in and turned on. And don't forget to be extra careful when checking live voltage. Then set the multimeter to volts AC. On the side of the ice maker, you'll find the wire harness. Put one of the meter leads into the connector with the light blue wire and place the other meter lead into the connector with the yellow wire. On the face of the ice maker, there will be a large gear and a small gear to the upper left side of it. The small gear will have a slot in the middle of it. You need to use the flat blade screwdriver to rotate it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to put the ice maker into a cycle. Once the ice maker fingers get to around the 8 o'clock position, the ice maker should be sending 120 volts AC to the water valve. If you get a reading of 120 volts AC but no water is coming into the ice maker and the water valve isn't getting any power, then there is a wiring issue. If there's not 120 volts AC, then you need to replace the ice maker. To reinstall the ice maker, set it back on the 2 1/4-inch screws and tighten them. Make sure that the fill tube is in the back of the ice maker. Then replace the cover on the front of the ice maker. Once you reinstall the ice bin, you're done. Don't forget to plug your fridge back in or flip the circuit breaker back on, as well as turning the water back on. If your ice maker tested good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out why your refrigerator ice maker isn't filling with water. We've got thousands of videos to help you with diagnosing and making repairs. If your ice maker tested bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can fix it yourself. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let us know how the testing and repair process went. If you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.